Utilized in every kind of professional facility, floor marking makes open spaces easier for workers and visitors to understand. One of the most effective, common methods for floor marking is using floor marking tapes. Creative Safety Supply offers multiple different types of floor tapes so that no matter the application, you can keep your facility safe and compliant. Let's take a look at our most popular tapes and see how they perform in different environments. First up is our 5S floor marking tape. This tape is a great economic option for low traffic areas or for temporary use. It's 6 mils thick and it comes in rolls of 108 feet. Unlike all of our other tapes, this tape doesn't have a backing on it. This means that it can sometimes stretch a bit during application, making it difficult to lay out straight lines. And due to how thin it is, it's not recommended for regular use in high traffic or industrial areas. Next up is our Smart Stripe tape. Smart Stripe tape is a huge step up from our 5S tape in durability, but not in cost, making it a great option for low to medium traffic areas and cost-conscious buyers. It is 4 mils thick and comes in 130-foot rolls. While not the best option for high traffic or industrial areas, it still performs at a much higher level than the 5S tape. From here, we move into our SafetyTac tapes. All of our SafetyTac tapes are manufactured in-house and are made of a rigid, wear-resistant PVC material. They are designed for harsh industrial environments and are backed by a 1-year warranty. All of our SafetyTac tapes come in multiple sizes and stock colors, and we can even offer Pantone color matching. First in the SafetyTac lineup is our SafetyTac LEAN tape. It comes in rolls of 100 feet, and at 20 mils thick, it is our lowest profile SafetyTac tape. Despite its thickness, it holds its own in medium to heavy traffic areas and is a great option for those looking to get a professional-grade floor marking project completed on a budget. Our standard SafetyTac tape is next in line. It comes in 100-foot rolls and is 35 mils thick, but the thing that really places it a step above the SafetyTac LEAN is its adhesive. This tape features a woven rubber-based adhesive, which allows it to adhere to a wide variety of floor types and withstand harsh industrial environments. Its ability to hold up against high-traffic areas, an array of chemicals, and abuse from forklifts has made it our best-selling, most versatile tape available. Finally, let's take a look at our SafetyTac 2.0 Armor tape. It comes in rolls of 50 feet, and at 70 mils thick, it's our thickest, most durable tape. Its armor technology and woven rubber-based adhesive prevents tearing and shattering. It can withstand the heaviest industrial traffic conditions and even holds up against pallet dragging and pivoting forklift wheels. This tape is so durable that we extended the standard 1-year warranty out an additional year. No tape on the market is more durable. Now that we've gotten to know each of the tapes in the lineup, let's see how they handle our forklift test. As you can see, the 5S tape, which is not designed to hold up against this type of abuse, has become worn and is starting to peel up. While it's fairly scuffed, the SafetyTac LEAN tape has held up pretty well. The SafetyTac 2.0 is still in perfect condition aside from needing a bit of cleaning. Let's move on to the pivot test. As you can see, the 5S and Smart Stripe tapes are no match for pivoting forklift wheels. Despite being the least durable in the SafetyTac line, with a little bit of maintenance, the SafetyTac LEAN could be good as new post-pivot test. As expected, our SafetyTac 2.0 tape remains unscathed. Choosing the right floor tape for your application will ensure that your floor marking remains clear, making your facility a safer place.